What's up, y'all? Truckerslife, and we back with another meal today. We're gonna get this going. Butter in. Trash bag is right here, so we get it. I gotta hurry up. And this one is just for TikTok, because I've already posted something similar to this, I believe, on my YouTube. I might post it on YouTube too. We'll see. Butter in. Oh, let me turn this on. Just put this underneath here. Over there. Wasting time. My bad, y'all. Now I gotta speed up. Okay. Garlic. Minced garlic. And there we go. White pepper, of course. And chili powder. And garlic salt. And chili flakes. And now this will be covered with some foil, and we'll be back. All right, y'all, we're taking it out now. This is what the butter sauce looks like. Yes, sir. Put that down now. We're gonna take the shrimp I've already peeled, deveined, and diced them up into nice sized chunks. We're just gonna put that in there. And then we got some Parmesan right here. I got it, right here I got it from Little Caesars. We're gonna take that, sprinkle it on top, a good amount. But this is also gonna act as a thickener for the sauce. So now we back, we about to finish this. We got the shrimp right here that's going over the rice. Just pour it all in there just like that. There we go. The last of the Parmesan cheese on top. There we go. We're done. There we go. Now I'll let y'all later.